Dr. A.V. Anup is a Managing Director of AVA Challayal Healthcare Private Limited, the makers of Medimix, world's largest selling Ayurvedic bath soap, having 28 years of experience in soap, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics and food industry. He is the Chairman and Vice President of the Asan Group of Institutions and is an active member of all its activities. Dr. A.V. Anup is a noted industrialist, property developer, film producer, social worker, organizer and amateur drama artist. He is a well-known patron of art and dramatics and having wide interest in spreading social awareness through art. May I request Dr. A.V. Anup to share his thoughts on the spirit of innovation, announce the award for innovative idea and felicitate the recipients.
Good evening to all of you. I am delighted to be part of this wonderful panel discussion organized by Asan Business School. And I am thankful to each panelist for sharing their thoughts and enlightening us. It is also my privilege to announce an award and felicitate two young entrepreneurs for their innovative ideas in their business venture. When it comes to innovation, from the beginning of mankind, the driving force towards the prosperity has always been innovations. Personally for me, innovation is a lifeline in my business venture. As mentioned here, my product is Medimix. I don't know how many of you are aware that Medimix is a handmade soap. The product is 42 years old. We started in our kitchen. Actually, the founder, Dr. V.P. Siddhan, started this product from his kitchen with 100 soaps a day. So at some point of time, when the company was grown, it was difficult for us to grow further. The demand was more, but being a handmade product, it was so difficult for us to achieve the required quantity. So we approached some of the leading engineering consultants to develop some ideas to make the soap in handmade itself, but a different way. But they studied and gave us a negative reply because we are not using any power, no electricity in our factory, and only with manpower the production was made, right from the raw materials to the finished stage. Then we shared this problem with our workers, the floor level workers. To our astonishment, the idea started coming from the work level people, the floor level workers. We studied their ideas, innovative ideas, and you will not believe, because of that we are today world's largest selling soap. Even now we continue to encourage. Every month we discuss the ideas that we get from our workmen, and we continue to grow. We also introduced an innovation award in our company, and we honor our workers for their ideas, and for innovations we specially award them. So it's my privilege again to introduce to you two young entrepreneurs here with their innovative ideas, Mr. Sandeep and Mr. Anand. Where are they? They had started a photocopying inc.com, leaving lucrative jobs. They had placed an advertisement in the photocopying paper. This could afford them to give paper at free of cost to the photocopying vendors. The photocopying vendor was able to in turn reduce the cost of photocopying from rupee 1 to just 10 paise. Photocopying is a lifeline of the students' fraternity all over the world, and when the same gets at a reduced cost, it becomes worthwhile. The concept has created a win-win situation to all involved: the supplier, the vendor, students, and of course the company advertising. I believe their innovative idea of reaching the young audience shall attract all the consumer good companies. A point again uploadable is that they are using wood-free, eco-friendly paper made of bagasse for printing the advertisement and photocopy. My congratulations to Sandeep and Anand. On behalf of ASEAN Business School, we would like to present them an award. I request Mr. Sachikumar to present the award.